Hello, this is Skaggs. Today we're going to be talking about shoulder issues and using quantum touch and energy. Shoulders is a little tricky versus some of the other issues that the videos that I have because they're just singly focused. The shoulder can be a little bit more complicated because it can be from so many areas. It could be in the neck, it could be in the thoracic T1, or it could be in the lower back. It could be your kidneys can affect your shoulders. So there's a lot of areas to do it there. That we would have to work on. But the main ones would be you want to run energy into the cervical part, the C5, which controls the shoulders to, the C6 controls the shoulders to the elbow, and also the C7 controls the shoulders to the elbows. And then you'd want to get the T1, the thoracic 1. That would also help from the neck down to the shoulders. And of course, you'd want to get all the cervical vertebrae. The best thing you could do, if you're having someone run into you in quantum touch, you have what's called a physnoid bone right in here. It looks like they say it looks like a bat or a Mardi Gras mask. You could run energy right there, and this aligns all the vertebrae, all the cervicals, the thoracic, the lumbar, the sacrum, and the tailbone, all the vertebrae in the body. So that's the main area that we would work on right in there. Now I want to say that what we want to do, I would want my clients to be proactive in their healing process. So some of the things that you would need to do so you don't keep re-injuring them. Imagine yourself sitting on a chair, instead of your hands back, you put them up on the armrest. Well, you notice your shoulders up like that. It doesn't seem like much, it just seems like a little bit. But over decades and decades of that little bit, it just really puts a strain on them. So if you're sitting in a chair, your arms need to be down. Okay, there's all kind of videos on YouTube how to sit properly. You need to learn how to sit properly. And you also need to learn how to lay properly and sleep properly. Imagine 8 hours sleeping like this. So if you were in a bed and you're sleeping like this, which most people do, get up like this and look at it. That's what you look like. So you can see how that put a strain on your shoulders. You're going to have to learn somehow to just put that shoulder back a little bit, and you have a pillow between your leg and you're sleeping like that. See how that's straight across right there? It's a little awkward at first doing that, but it'd be really helpful to get your posture straight. And I would like for you to go, since you go to Skaggs and subscribe to me, there's other videos. Go to the one that talks about lower back issues. And I do one where I have Jesus on the cross where you're laying down and you'll spread. That is a perfect one for shoulder issues. So anyways, I look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and my contact information is on there. So you have a great day. Thank you.